Click on Start icon, then in the search bar type Task Manager. Click here to open it. On this window, click on File, then select Run New Task. On this window, click on Browse button. Now we need to select this PC, then open C drive. Now just scroll down and open Windows folder. From here we need to open this folder, then just scroll down and search for cmd.exe. Select this and click on open. After that, simply check this box and click on OK. It will open command prompt window. So we already have a list of commands to make it easy for you, and to avoid mistakes, simply open Google Chrome, then type here google.com and hit enter. Now in the search bar type hows.tech Windows commands and click here to open it. Now click on this link, which is from www.hows.tech. On this window, just scroll down and search for command number 12. So copy this command, simply click on this, right click and select copy. Now go back to command prompt window and right click on command prompt to paste and hit enter to execute it. After that, copy command number 13, go back to command prompt window, right click on black area and simply paste that and hit enter to execute it. Once done, close this command prompt window. Click on search icon, type CMD, right click on it and select Run as Administrator. On this window, type this command. After that, right click on File, select Copy as Path, right click here, select Edit and select Paste and hit enter. Then type this command. Again, do the same process for this one, edit and then paste. Hit enter. Close this window, go to search bar, then type PowerShell, run as administrator, select S. On this window, type this command, then right click here, select copy as path and paste that path here. After that, then type -force and hit enter. Close this window. Finally, restart the system, which is very important. Before you do that, like this video. God bless.